In this industry, experience is the best teacher. No matter what your mentor told you, experience is still the best teacher. And if you are learning forex without a mentor, let me let you know, experience also is the best teacher. I want you to take everything people are saying, and you have to learn proper risk management, you have to backstate your strategy, you have to focus on one strategy. Let me see other people. You have to take partial profit. You have to make sure you are withdrawing almost every day or even every week, every seconds if you can. If anything has not happened to you that now make you realize that it is because you did not do one point, you are not going to do it until that mistake happen. Now I learnt my lesson from always take profit. Yeah, in 9 days I was able to make $100. Yeah, so what happened is that I'm supposed to place withdrawal like on Friday, which is last week. I think this happened last week, and I'm supposed to place withdrawal on Friday, and I blew everything on Thursday. I blew all the money, like I blew all the profit, including my capital. I had like I blew like 225. I can't really remember the amount, but I realized, assuming I have been placing withdrawal maybe every 2 days or every day, if I'm going to blow the money, I won't blow up to that amount, and I'm going to have some change left in my account. Assuming I already withdraw like 50% and I leave $50, if I'm going to blow the account, I'm still going to have $50 left with me. Not that I'm not going to like blow everything. I'm not against growing your account, because that is actually what I was planning to do. I actually want to grow the account to one certain amount that I'm going to like increase my stake. Do you understand it? I was just having the mission of just growing the account without withdrawing. Even if I'm going to withdraw, I'm going to withdraw something like 20 or 30%. But like this, I feel I'm not going to be withdrawing 10 to 20% again. I'm going to be withdrawing almost everything like this, because I realize if you withdraw almost everything for like 2 or 3 weeks now, and let God forbid something happen to the account, yeah, you are still going to have like 2 3 weeks profit that you already withdraw, and you can use that profit to like return it back to your live account. But if you did not blow the account, yeah, you can just keep saving up your profit, and the moment your profit reach, let's say like $500, you can now deposit a whole $500 back. Just make sure that you have that main capital. Don't let it go beyond, like you are trying to like grow your $100 to $500 without withdrawing that $100. Make sure you grow it 20, 30, 50, and make sure you are withdrawing. Make sure you withdraw up to $500 before now depositing that $500 into it. From my own point of view, that is what I'm going to advise. Let me make it clearer. So let's say I want to grow my $100 to $1,000 account. What I'm going to do is, the moment I finish trading for this week, I'm going to remove my money. If I trade for the second week, I'm going to remove my money. Trade for the third week, I'm going to remove my money. Trade for the fourth week, I'm going to remove my money. Let's now say in 5 weeks I was able to make $500, and I'm going to withdraw all the $500 in my account, and I'm still going to have a $100 account. You understand? So I'm not up to like $1,000 account. I'm not going to make sure I withdraw till my profits reach $1,000 before depositing it back. And I'm not going to start with $1,000 account. But if I say, yeah, I have a $100 account, because I want to grow the account, and I'm not going to be placing withdrawal until I reach 1,000. This trading market, we all know is funny. We all fucking know it's funny. A little mistake might just happen, and you are going to blow your account. Let now say you have been taking profit. If I blow my account, I'm going to remove from the profit that I've been withdrawing to deposit it back inside my account. But if I did not withdraw it, I'm not going to have any money to deposit it, because this happened to me last week. So these are the mistake I want you also to learn from, which, because I already learned from it, and I pray I'm able to do it. That is where trading psychologist comes in. This trading psychology and trading mindset, nobody tell us that it's going to take us months, years before we like actually know how to like handle it. So the trading psychology is not something that you're just going to come to the market and in 2 months, phew, because your trading psychology, your trading mentality, each aspect require you to think deeply, and adapt it and accept that part of you in the market. So that is the mistake I think I've learned from, and I actually want you guys to learn from it. I'm just telling you this to prepare your mind, because if this hasn't happened to you, you are not going to actually learn from it. So experience is still the best teacher. I heard people say always make sure you withdraw, always make sure you take partial profit. I just feel like until it happened to me and I see the reason why I should do it. So this is just the video to prepare you. If you are a beginner or you are a pro and you want to know more on trading, this is the best channel for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, you want to know some stuff that is going to prepare you, this is the best channel for you. Let me know the type of video you want to see in the comment section. Till tomorrow, peace.